just sitting on my shoulders. It's just like breaking off. Can you guys even see that? My hair had so much volume in it this morning. Like, my hair feels sticky. Everything smells delicious. Okay, like, I was not gonna spend $50 on this because I was like, why? Like, that's insane. Oh my goodness, a very exciting box just came in. Before we dive into this box of goodies, let's just talk really fast about our hair growth journey. Like, it's been a journey. I will pop up all the videos that I've done in the past. I did several Bondi Boost. I'm still using the Bondi Boost Rapid Repair Trio. I've got the shampoo, the conditioner, the leave-in treatment, and the deep conditioner in the Rapid Repair. Now, my hair is repaired. I used to have like a ton of breakage right at the back of my head. That's gone. But one, my hair is still super thin and I want to try to work on like my scalp health so that I can hopefully like increase hair growth. And I can't use the hair growth line from Bondi Boost because I have psoriasis on my scalp and it makes my scalp break out in pustules and it's really painful and I can't use it. So the Rapid Repair doesn't do that. However, in the last year, it's been at least a year, it's been a while, I have severe breakouts on my shoulders, my chest, my stomach, and all down my back. And I was in denial for a very long time that that could be my hair care products because I've been using the products since January of 2022. And so I'm like, maybe it's my liver, maybe it's this, maybe it's that. And so I don't use hairspray anymore. I stopped using my Jacqueline hair protectant because I'm like, I was getting really bad pustules on my arms. It's really uncomfortable. It makes me feel really insecure and I hate it. And also it's like my arms are always bumpy and I really hate it. So I want to try something new. I want to try continuing the hair growth journey. Like, I want to continue to strengthen my hair, grow my hair, make it the best that it can possibly be. I'm also on a huge kick of trying to do more clean ingredients, less toxins for like reducing the toxin load in my body. If you guys are here for fasting things, like reducing your toxin load helps reduce belly fat, more on that later, but also reducing plastic. I'm trying to reduce the amount of plastic bottles that I'm using. I'm no longer using Tide laundry detergent. I'm no longer using my little pods for my dishwasher. Like, I'm just trying to reduce the amount of plastic that I'm putting back into our environment. And so I love the idea of bar soap and I've been doing a lot of research on different ones that I really like, and Kitsch just kept popping up and popping up and popping up, and it's affordable. And you know what? Here we are. We're trying a lot of Kitsch stuff. So if this is content that you guys like to see, we'll do some check-ins with the hair. We'll see how we're going. I will show you guys how it's performing, what it feels like, if my hair feels dry, if it feels hydrated, how it styles. But it's like time to wash my hair. My hair is starting to get a little greasy. And so I'm hoping that these products can also help reduce my scalp getting really greasy because my hair is dry, but my scalp gets greasy at around day 3. We're gonna dive way deeper into this. I just want to unbox this with you and I absolutely cannot wait. So let's jump into it right now. All right, so where hair care comes into play, I got the Strengthening Solid Shampoo, the rice water protein for healthier looking hair. This states that this shampoo and conditioner will give you a nourishing cleanse and encourage overall hair growth and density, boost shine in dull, dry hair, which is what I have. It says it's free of parabens, phthalates, silicone, sulfates, and artificial fragrance, which is also something that I'm trying to avoid. It says it's safe for color-treated hair. I have bleached hair, but I'm taking that as like processed hair. It says reduces single-use plastic. We love that. Made in the USA, vegan, cruelty-free. Love that. Okay, I also got the Strengthening Solid Conditioner. These two go together. And then I also got, where's the other thing that there you are. I was at Ulta because they were doing their like 20 days of summer sale or something like that. And so they carry Kitsch. I could have just bought it there, but I bought it online. So I also got the Strengthening Bond Repair for like a once a week deep conditioner because I thought that this was really important because again, I've got processed hair. I do bleach in my hair. So I think that this is really important. I also got their purple toning. My expectations of this are very low, to be completely honest. We'll see how it goes. I mean, I have blonde and I love doing a blonde toner on my hair. And the one that I use right now is still, what is that one? can't remember the name of it. I will insert it right here. I used to use this line all the time, but it dried and fried my hair out really bad. So I switched products. I do still use this purple shampoo, but instead of using it every time I shampoo, now I use it like once or twice a month just to like bring the brassiness down. So we'll see how this purple shampoo works. I feel like that's plenty. 2 conditioners, 2 shampoos. Love that. And I love how compact they are. Like my whole shower right now is like a ton of different shampoos and conditioners, and I'm ready to consolidate, which is also why we got the shower caddy. I was not gonna spend $50 on this because I was like, why? Like, that's insane. $49 for like a little piece of metal. But the thing that sold me on it is the fact that it suction cups into your shower, and I have a really small shower with one teeny tiny little shelf. So I was like, if I can take all of my shampoo and conditioner and stuff and put it on a thing. I might even get my husband one because he uses bar soap as well. And so this might be really good for him as well. So I got this guy because it's gonna be magic. Yes, we're gonna do the snap and like clean out the shower and see how magical it is. So stay tuned, or go follow me on Instagram. I'm CharleneTown_. Go follow me over there for more fun stuff. The shampoo and conditioner came in a kit, and it came with the solid body sugar scrub and a solid body wash charcoal scrub. So I'm really excited to try these to help like exfoliate my arms and maybe get rid of these breakouts on my arms because I hate them. So I'm hoping that the shampoo is good and like we'll get rid of this, and that this stuff will help get rid of this. All right, you guys, I want to do a quick first impression of the Kitsch shampoo and conditioner and the body wash, like the body bars that I received yesterday, okay? Okay, so very first impressions of the shampoo, conditioner, and all things. Everything smells delicious, okay? Like candy, like sugar, because it's a sugar scrub, and like the shampoo and conditioner, they just smell really good. And because they're bars sitting in my bathroom on that little rack, my bathroom smells delicious, okay? Love that for me. Maybe it's because I'm not using as many scents and fragrances. I'm like very attuned to the smell, but I love it and I'm here for it, okay? And they're all natural fragrances, okay? The shampoo bar, like I was expecting it to be very dry, no bubbles. Like I wasn't sure how it was going to feel on my hair. And I just I got in the shower, I got my hair wet, and I just took the bar and I put it on the top of my head, and then I ran it through like the ends of my hair, basically just did that. And it had a beautiful lather. I felt like it really got my hair clean. It felt really nice. I was very surprised. I thought that because it was a bar, it wouldn't foam for some reason. Like I had read that things that make things lather maybe cause your hair to be stripped out. I don't know, but I was very pleasantly surprised to feel that there was a lather. And then moving on to the conditioner bar, again, no idea what to expect. I took the bar and again, I just rubbed it directly on my head and like ran it through, and it felt like it coated my hair beautifully. It was lightweight. It rinsed away really well. Like I didn't feel like I had to work really hard to rinse it out. I am very conditioned with the Bondi Boost to rinse your hair for at least 30 seconds. So I rinse my hair really well. I always let my hair air dry unless I like very specifically have to go somewhere, like I'm getting up and getting ready and getting out the door. So I let my hair air dry overnight, and my hair had so much volume in it this morning. Like I almost felt like I had my old hair texture back, where not like it was frizzy, but I used to have like my hair used to be big. Like I used to have a lot of volume, and I used to like tuck my hair behind my ears and my hair would stick out to here. It was crazy. Like I looked like this. It was kind of funny before I started to color my hair, and honestly before I got sick, before I had psoriatic arthritis and like started taking meds and everything, my hair just used to be like, I just used to have this different volume in my hair. And I woke up and was like, I had roots like sticking up here, and my hair just had a volume and life to it that it has not had in a really long time. So that's really cool. I'm just curious to see like repetitively if this is what my hair is going to be like moving forward. And while my hair is straight, I just want to show you guys like what it's looking like from the front, and then I'll stand up, like show you guys what it's looking like from the back. Again, I'm gonna go have my hair trimmed tomorrow, but for the most part, like, this is where we're at. This is our starting point. I did use the black charcoal bar of soap and the sugar scrub because I was like, I just wanna, like, you know, try to get this stuff to go away. And I did notice that my skin was dry when I got out of the shower. I have very dry skin. I'm going to keep using it. I wanna see how it really works. I wasn't like, I'm so dry, this is awful. But I didn't feel hydrated and moisturized like I would like to feel when I get out of the shower. So those are my quick, very first impressions. I do have one small con that I want to talk about, and it's the shower caddy. Like, I love the idea of it. It's beautiful and it works. I got it to stick on the wall once and it was solid. Like, I was able to push down on it and it wasn't going anywhere. And I was like, great, I put the bars of soap on there. And then I was like, it was in a spot where the shower was hitting it. And so I was like, I don't want it to continuously get wet because it'll make the bars break down faster. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna move it over to another place. Made sure it was wet, like tightened it on, did a little check, it was fine. And then like I turned to get out of the shower and it dropped to the ground so hard that it like destroyed the bars. Like, all of the bars got super mangled. They like went through the little pieces, and like, yes, is it operator error? Absolutely. Like, it was something that I must have done. Like, I must not have completely undone it and then gotten it a good suction all the way, obviously, because it like just fell off. So just a warning for anybody who's setting up their new shower caddy, like, make sure that thing is on there before you put your bars on there, because I'm really sad. They look really sad, and I really wanted to like make Instagram posts and like do all this stuff, and the bars look all black now. So whatever, it is what it is. That's my first initial check-in. I'm gonna use it a couple more times and then we will do final results. All right, guys, I am checking in on the Kitsch hair shampoo, all that jazz. Today is October 4th, and I just want to give you guys my thoughts because it's officially been almost a month that I've been using the Kitsch shampoo and conditioner and the body wash and the stuff. Okay, so I'm ready to cut all of my hair off because my ends are so frazzled, okay? When I was seeing all the reviews on Instagram, it was like, I no longer have hair loss. Like, I don't get hair loss in my brush anymore when I get out of the shower and all this stuff. I get like massive chunks of hair loss. My ends are so dry. Like, I'm going to get back on. I almost got rid of it and I'm so glad I didn't. I still have my Bondi boost. I'm gonna start using it like tonight. Also, in the last like couple weeks, it's just been irritating my scalp. If I don't wash my scalp every other day, my scalp gets really, really itchy. So my scalp is super itchy right now. It's just not hydrating enough for my hair. I do chemically process my hair. I do put blonde in my hair. I curl my hair. I rarely blow dry, though I will blow dry my hair every once in a while, but I basically have given up blow drying. I just do air dry. But this is the thing that I notice. So my hair feels clean, all that stuff. But when I get out of the shower and my hair is wet, I let it dry as much as I can before I comb through it with my big wide tooth comb. My hair feels sticky. Like, it's like I have to start at the end and really baby it, but I feel like my hair breaks when I'm doing that. Like, I feel like my ends are really thinning because I feel like my hair is breaking. I just have split ends all over the place. I wish I could. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see, like, I don't know. You guys aren't gonna be able to see very well, but I have not had split ends in so long and my hair is just fried. It's really sad. Like, I honestly just keep saying, well, maybe I'll just cut it all off. So I'm gonna go back to my Bondi Boost and see if I can at least like repair the hair that I have, because it has saved my hair in the past. I was really hoping. I really loved the idea of a bar, like bar shampoo. I love the idea of not having a container. This one's just a miss for me. And I was really, really hoping that it was gonna be great. But to be honest, guys, I'm not really a fan. Yeah, so that's my review. I'm about a month in and I brought it with me. I loved traveling with it. Like, I loved the idea of a bar soap for your hair, because then you're not carrying all the liquids when you're traveling. That was so nice. I just feel like it didn't do good things for my hair. So it's a miss for me. It's a no for me. The bar soap is nice. I still have breakouts on my shoulders, though I feel like they're getting a little better, maybe. Not really. They're still really bumpy. They're not like major pustules right now. Oh, but here, like my hair's it's just breaking. Like, look at this. Like, my hair is just like, just sitting on my shoulders. It's just like breaking off. Can you guys even see that? I don't know if you guys can see that. Anyway, my hair is just like breaking all over the place. It's kind of sad. Yeah, so there you go. All right, you guys, I was just watching this video back, and I don't know if you guys can tell, but I can actually see the difference in the ends of my hair, just the thickness from day one to the last day. It's kind of crazy. I did buy the deep conditioning bar. I don't feel like it did anything great to my hair. I got the purple shampoo, did nothing. Barely was purple. It did, my hair I feel like is looking super yellow right now. I need to tone it, but I'm so afraid to tone it with my Olaplex because that is drying and my hair's already so dry. So I need to try repairing my hair a little bit before I dry it out again. So there you go. It's a no for me. If you guys have tried it, or if you guys have tried different bar shampoos, conditioners, let me know. Give me recommendations. I'm trying to get rid of the hormone blockers. Like, I'm trying to fix all of the things. I'm trying to do good by the environment, like less plastic, yes. I just gotta find something that works, because I like having long hair. Like, I keep trying to talk myself into like, but you like having short hair. I'm like, I like having long hair more. I just want to have nice long hair. I'm tired of having this. Like, I can't have this. I can't keep going this way. So there you go. If this was content that was helpful for you, please let me know in the comments down below. Like and subscribe. Come back for more. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.